when you want somebody to do something. Stop asking them to do something. Okay? When you ask somebody to do something, you're essentially asking an all or nothing request. They can give you a yes or no answer, and that's not good. That's 50-50 odds at best. Right? Start asking, does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to sign the agreement? Does it make sense to get your team on board? Does it make sense for me to come to your house and write up a quote? Does it make sense for us to have lunch together? Does it make sense to put me in that role of VP of sales? And if they say no, your simple response, stay cool, calm, collected. What's a good next step then? Right? Ask them. They'll tell you. If they say, I don't know, point the question at yourself. People love to boss other people around. Right? No, I just don't know. Got it. What's a good next step for me? Or what's a good next step on my end? Right? They'll tell you. If they don't, you can set a next step. If they continually push something that we've talked about on Easton University, okay? Something that you guys are seeing in the portal at eastonuniversity.com all the time. Have your net outcome statement. When somebody is all the way negative, not interested, it's not going to happen, we're punting this till next year, totally understand. Thank you for letting me know. I will be here when you need blank. And the blank is not you. The blank is not your company. The blank is not your service, your solution, or your product. The blank is the outcome that they will get once they do business with you. Hey, I'm sorry, your rates are just too high. We're going to go ahead and sell the house ourselves. No problem. I will be here when you need to make sure that you're actually getting top dollar by marketing it to everybody out there that's a buyer and not having to worry about being directly involved in the negotiations with something as emotional as your house. Fair enough? Right? It's simple. Not, oh, I'll be here when you need a real estate agent. None of that. Hey, we're just going to table the sales coaching here until Q1 of next year. Totally understand. I will be here when you need to finally get that team crossing the line of 17 million in annual revenue onwards and upwards to 25 million, so you guys can be in that position to have the exit strategy as owners of the company there. Fair enough? And they're like, oh, okay. And then they just punted on sales coaching. But now they're all having lunch going, man, we get to 25 million, the VC's going to want to sell, and then, man, we're all going wherever the hell we want to go in whatever kind of jet we want to buy because we've sold the company. Yeah, I forgot there's that Easton guy. You know, he could help us get there a lot faster. Maybe we should look at doing the sales coaching. When you have a net outcome statement, good things will happen for you. Hey, if you like this video and you want to learn how to close, boom, I'm going to cover the $299 cost for you, to get the closing mini masterclass for free. You're going to learn how to step-by-step close anyone on anything, anytime. I'm picking up the cost. It's free to you. Click the link in my bio. I'm only going to do it for a few of you, so hopefully you're one of them. Click the link in my bio right now.